See yourself, understand yourself, forgive yourself. Today's theme: letting go of attachments. In this life, people often win the world, yet lose to themselves. At night, when everything turns silent, it's not the wind outside that's loud, it's the nest inside the heart. Some appear calm as still water, but within them, tides rise and fall in silence. The harder they try to prove their worth, the faster anxiety chases them. The more they seek perfection, the more fear holds them captive. In truth, our greatest enemy has never been others. It's the part of us that never stops being harsh on ourselves. And that is today's theme: making peace with yourself. His name was Lin Zhou, an ordinary office worker. At 30, his job, his family, even his health, were quietly falling apart. When the company downsized, he kept his position. But what followed was a fatigue deeper than unemployment. Every day he worked late, forced smiles, buried his feelings. Even in dreams, he was still writing reports. His mother asked, "Are you doing okay lately?" He smiled and said, "I'm fine." But when he turned off the light, his eyes burned. He thought, "If I just try a little harder, things will get better." Yet life, like sand, swept away the title he grasped it. Friends got promoted, classmates bought homes, and the world on social media shimmered, while he was left alone with his silent anxiety. One night, on his way home from overtime, he noticed an old, dim street lamp. Beneath it, an elderly janitor swept the ground slowly. The wind stirred fallen leaves, but the old man's movements remained calm, unhurried. Lin Zhou stopped walking and wondered, "Why is he so at peace, while I'm so restless?" Later, he came across a line from Lao Xi: "Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. Conquering others takes strength. Conquering yourself takes power." The words felt like a breeze, clearing the fog in his heart. He stopped forcing himself to become a better person, and began to understand the one who was already doing his best. He realized that much of his pain came from his refusal to accept himself. He started jogging in the mornings, brewing tea in the afternoons, and watching the sunset in silence. He no longer compared his life to others, nor wrestled with his past self. And in that quiet moment, he understood, true growth isn't about becoming stronger, but about making peace with yourself. Life is like a still pond. The more you stir it, the murkier it becomes. The calmer you stay, the clearer it grows. Making peace with yourself doesn't mean giving up. It means walking forward gently. The mountain has its shape. The river has its flow. Every life has its own rhythm. Lao Tzu once said, "Those who know contentment are never disgraced. Those who know when to stop are never in danger. Only those who understand moderation can truly live in peace." Sometimes letting go of attachment isn't weakness. It's how we pick ourselves up again. To make peace with yourself is a quiet kind of courage, a soft kind of strength. When the wind stops, leaves will fall on their own. When you stop forcing love, sweetness will naturally return. So stop being so hard on yourself. The fact that you made it this far already means you've done well. To see yourself, to understand yourself, to forgive yourself, that is the deepest form of practice. True strength isn't about beating everyone else. It's about making peace within. When you stop fighting your own heart, no storm from the outside can shake you. Much of our pain comes from one thought: I'm not good enough. But the truth is, you already are. Learn to laugh inside imperfection. To keep walking through uncertainty. That is Taoist wisdom. Go with the flow and rest in the present. Have you ever found yourself struggling to prove your worth? Have you ever fought quietly with your own heart in the middle of the night? Tell me in the comments, what part of yourself are you learning to make peace with? I'm Wang Nian Nian, and I hope every weary soul finds stillness and light within the way. Let's walk the path of wisdom together.